So hail's falling from the Las Vegas, and yeah. This is my phone.
Yeah, guys.
There's ice falling
Look,
down.
there's freaking hail. Hail and rain. Hail. It's hail raining right now. And there's thunder.
We saw a lot of water coming out. So
There's thunder, as you can see, and there's gonna be lightning in a minute here. It's kind of like shooting, but
it's really water.
You know, when rain, the end of April, summer coming up.
I can't see. I can't see.
but it's raining.
Can I see?
Good.
This is
Can I
me.
see?
Rain,
Minecraft. This is her
only in Big
brother,
Island get hail.
and yeah.
So, Mommy, can I see? I'm really freaked out. I'm freaked out. The ice come out of the sky.
There's ice coming out of the sky. It's called hail. This is my first time. It's my first time. And oh no, look it. And yeah, and
God,
over here it's gonna flood. Yeah, it's gonna flood. But in Nellis or Charleston, I don't know. But look, yeah. And I wish it wasn't raining. Woo! Oh my god, that looks like pee. Look, watch, it's gonna look like pee. Look. Oh, pee! Then look, it's gonna look. Look, it's peeing. It's peeing. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Subscribe, like, and peace. Say in the comments that I hope the weather feels good. Peace. It's been here for your brother. Like, subscribe, and peace. Cheese.